There are 4 ways to make money online, and this video will show you how to earn each type of income. The first way is by selling your time for money. This is the traditional method of making a living as an employee, a 9 to 5 and back home every evening. The second way is by selling a product like books, DVDs, or even physical items in an online store like Amazon. The third way is by selling a service like freelance writing. Designing and other professional services can be provided online through websites like Elance or Upwork. Finally, there are some websites that promote the selling of information products including ebooks, PDFs, audio, and courses that give people information on subjects they have been itching to know more about. Method 1. Selling your time for money. The worst way to make money online is by selling your time for money. Why? Because as you know, time is limited, money isn't. When you sell your time for money, you cut off your opportunities for making more in the future. Therefore, we only recommend using this method if there's no other option but to make a quick buck. Time is your most valuable asset. You are paid to make other people's lives easier, better, and more efficient through your work. When you rush to get things done at the last minute, it doesn't always work out well. Sometimes the quality of your work suffers and it can become difficult to show your true potential. But when you have time on your side, that's when the magic happens. Method 2. Selling a product for money. If you want to start making money online, you definitely want to look into selling products. But keep in mind that this is one of the more challenging ways of making money online. If you have no experience with e-commerce, it might be difficult to get started. If you do have experience with e-commerce but have not made any sales yet, then you need to learn some new strategies for making more sales by marketing it well. People usually think they need loads amount of money to start, but that's just an excuse they use to procrastinate and stall. To sell a product online is simple. The steps to it are: 1. Open up an online store for effectively free using Shopify. 2. Market it on social media. TikTok and Instagram are great ways to sell your product. 3. Start with dropshipping or clothing brands as they are beginner-friendly and will allow you to expand your knowledge on business. Method 3. Selling a service for money. The rise of the internet has created many possibilities for making money online. You can set up a store online, sell your services to people, or create a product that others want or need. You can sell a car wash detailing service. You can sell a freelancing service. You can sell a restaurant service. You can sell chauffeur services and much more that actually serves your customer. We all have a desire to be served. That's why all the successful businesses have figured out ways to serve their customers. Method 4. Selling information for money. There are a lot of things you can sell online, but one of the easiest and most effective ways to start making money is by selling information. It's simple, humans love to learn. So when it comes down to it, whether it be through a course or a service revolving around a course or product, people just want more information about how to achieve their goals. Selling information is one of the most effective ways to make money online. Sell a course that teaches people how to make money and boom, you've made a bank-breaking service. To learn about how to make more money online, please like and subscribe as it lets me know you want more content like this.